Alpine A110 Premier Edition is fitted with a high-performance braking system, featuring four 320mm dual material cast iron and aluminum discs, which are designed to cool rapidly after heating. These are accompanied by fixed Brembo 4-piston calipers at the front and floating monopiston calipers at the back. Compact and light, the innovative nature of these pure aluminum brake calipers lies in the integrated parking brakes actuator, a world first that produces a weight saving of 2.5 kilos. The standard Alpine A110 model will be fitted with 296mm steel discs.